Hi, my name is Craig and I'm part of the marketing department here at Braceability. Today we're going to be talking about the shoulder sling. This sling is specifically designed to help with a variety of shoulder injuries, including dislocation, subluxation, rotator cuff problems, clavicle or collarbone breaks, and nerve issues. It is ideal for clavicle breaks and nerve issues because it applies pressure to the collarbone and keeps it in place, allowing it to heal with fusion, which results in a much stronger bond. The way this brace is designed allows the user the freedom to wear it in a variety of different ways, depending on what is needed for your specific injury. It can be worn on either shoulder and on either arm. When applied, it holds your arm at the angle that you adjust it to, allowing your arm to heal in the proper orientation. This sling is one size fits most, so make sure that you're within the suggested size ranges, otherwise it might not fit you properly. Many people receive a basic sling following shoulder surgery or after a trip to the hospital. This shoulder sling will perform a very similar task to those basic slings, but with many added benefits. Regular slings support your arm by putting pressure on the side of your neck. After some wear, this can become painful and irritating. This sling moves that pressure over to your shoulder and allows you to switch from shoulder to shoulder throughout the day so that one shoulder doesn't have to hold that burden all by itself. The low profile design is also much more freeing than the average sling. It leaves your arm free to avoid overheating, allow access to bandaging, and allow you to wear it with a variety of different clothing. If you suffer from elbow bursitis or other elbow injuries, regular slings can irritate your elbow as they push up against it throughout the day. This design leaves your elbow completely free. It can be difficult to put on shoulder slings after surgery or with a painful injury. One of the best parts about this brace design is that you can apply it and adjust it with just one hand. This patented sling is engineered with comfortable all-day wear in mind. It is water-friendly, allowing you to wear it while you shower and while you're at the pool or beach. It is made of a soft, elastic material that is comfortable next to the skin. The strap uses medical-grade fasteners and a heavy-duty metal buckle, ensuring that it will hold tight throughout the day. The strap system can be quickly adjusted to change the size and fit of both the shoulder strap and the wrist strap. To apply this brace, start by connecting the fastener to close the strap. Bring the strap across your body and over the shoulder that you would like to wear it on, with the wrist strap in front of your body. Place the hand of your affected arm into the wrist loop and tighten it with the metal buckle until it is snug around your wrist. Adjust the fastener on the shoulder strap to change the degree to which it holds your arm up. The tighter that you have the strap, the higher up it will hold your arm. If you need your hand and arm to be elevated, you can rotate the shoulder strap around your body to bring them higher up on your torso. Once it is applied, you can continue to adjust the shoulder strap and the wrist strap to your desired fit. Cleaning this sling is also quick and easy. Hand wash it in warm water with mild detergent and allow it to air dry completely before reapplying. I hope that you learned something new about the shoulder strap, but if you have any more questions, please reach out. We're here to help you get back to life.